Well, I'm about to fix my wheelbarrow. Um, I bought this at a garage sale for 25 bucks. This is a, yeah, I don't know if I can, True Temper. I think they sell these at Home Depot. Um, like I said, 25 bucks at a garage sale. And I've used it for, I don't know, 2 or 3 years maybe or more. It's a pretty good one, but so I've got some problems. I mean, the front tire went flat. So the way you take this off, it's really a simple mechanism. You have this axle right here that sits like this, and the tire just the rim just sits right in here. To get it off, you just have to remove these four bolts here and here, and then it just comes out of here. And this is basically the axle right here. Um, I could clean it up, but I guess I'll probably, just wipe it off and clean it up a little bit. But it doesn't actually, that, it doesn't, it's bearings that turn in the wheels. So the other issue I've got with this is it's got a big hole in the bottom. So I'm going to figure out how to repair this. I've done this before and I put like a piece of metal um, on the inside. But you don't want to do that on a wheelbarrow because, if you use a shovel to scrape things out of it, you end up hitting the metal or whatever, and it doesn't work very well. So I'm probably going to get a piece of metal and lay it over here and rivet it or something down temporarily to it to hold it. And then I'll probably just maybe fiberglass over the top just to do it. But it's got some cracks up here. You know what? Maybe I'll have to just take it off, take this bracket off of here. Here I go again, complete overhaul of the wheelbarrow. So anyway, so that's another project. And here's the wheel I took off, and I think it's got a tube in it. You can see that this right here, it shows it in there, and if I push in on it, it goes in. So there's a tube in there that I've got to get out of there. And I've never taken one off of, this is almost like a car tire, so I don't know how you get this rim off. I guess I'm just going to have to use some muscle here and get some screwdrivers in between here and just wedge it out. But it's a 4.8040-8. This 8 here, I think is the diameter, so 8 inches across. And my hand like this from this finger to my thumb is about 8 inches. So when I go like this, I'm seeing 8 inches here. So this is an 8-inch rim. That's what that 8 means right there. And this must be like the diameter of the thing or something. So all I got to do to probably fix this is, I mean, the tire is in okay shape. I mean, it's used for garden stuff, so who cares, right? So I just got to get an inner tube, 4.80 by 40-8, and replace it in here, and then I should be good. So I think all I've got to do is just, got two monster screwdrivers here. Do that. Okay, that one's in. Now I'll stick this one in here. Oh yeah, that's not bad. All right, now I got two of them. I'm gonna go get another screwdriver. All right, so I got two in. Let me grab this. Let's see if I can pop this out. Okay, that's that. Now I got, pull this screwdriver out, put it in here. Okay, now I can pull these out of here. Just keep going around until I get tire off the rim. All right, so ow. So we got it off. Now, oh yeah, there's a tube in there. So I'm gonna push this out. I'm gonna have to grab that tube. See if I can get my hands in here. Okay. Seems to be stuck a little bit. I think I've got to manhandle it a bit. All right. I'm just loosening it up real good. Okay, so now we got that kind of loose. Let's do this again. Pull up on here. Grab that. Wow. Is there air still in here? No. Maybe I can use the. You know the tube is bad because it. Just like trying to muscle it out of here. Not easy. Not easy at all. Well, I just put a hole through the rim, through the inner tube. Oh shit! It's coming apart in my hands. I guess that tells you it was probably rotted out or something. So I'm just gonna manhandle the thing now to get it out. Wow, it's just falling apart in there. That's crazy. That rubber is just disintegrating in my hands. That's crazy. I keep it outside. I don't keep it in my shed or anything, so I just out in the elements. It's like it's stuck to the rim or something. I got one other idea. Ta-da! Just gonna let this soak in here. I tell you, this WD-40, when they say it does all kinds of stuff, it does the trick. I'll tell you what. It will loosen up. It's the best thing to have around. I'm getting low, so I'm gonna have to buy it some more. It is a mess, though. It is gonna be messy here. Let's see if maybe I can use a big one. Come on, get out of there. Come on. It's like it's stuck on the rim here. Come on, get out of there. Look at that. It's like it's glued to the rim. There it goes. All right. Shit. All right, that's that was something. It was probably just like rusted in to the rim right along there. So what do we got here? Made in China. Interesting. So now I'm going to get on Amazon and look for an inner tube that I can stick in there. One of these tires, if you bought this thing as a whole from Home Depot, it's like 40-50 bucks. I'm gonna, and all I got to do is put a new inner tube in it. So let's go check Amazon.